Right now I'm taking the seats apart. I did power wash them when I was power washing the chairs. They were very moldy and dusty. So now they're safe to handle. Now I'm going to examine the foam, see if I can reuse it. It's got some stains, but I think I can reuse it. It's in good shape. Now I'm going to try something I've never done before, is try to wash the foam. I'm going to wash it in some hot water and see what happens. The foam came out really nice and clean, a couple little stains, but it's nice and clean. And one surprising thing is the foam returned to its original shape. A couple pieces tore in the washing machine, but that can be repaired. Now there's 3 layers of foam, one thick layer, 1 inch thick, and then 2 thinner pieces. For some reason they wrapped the thinner foam around the edge, which is not necessary. And just going to cut that down to the shape of the seat. Now the pieces that tore, that can be easily repaired just with the spray adhesive. Just put an extra thick coat of adhesive on each edge. Perfect, just the right height. I thought I might have to cut them down a little bit because the seats are so puffy. If the tenants want them cut down, I can easily do that later. Now there is an area rug going down in the kitchen here. It's an 8x12 commercial carpet rug to help dampen noise. We'll see how they work with the carpet. I don't think it would be too much of a problem. But I can easily fit 2 people at the counter here, which is perfect. Now these are the stools that I bought off Facebook a few weeks ago. Once I bought them, I realized they were going to be a little too big and clunky. But they were perfect for stand-in, so I could figure out the height of the counter, which ended up being 40 inches off the floor. 40 inches to the top, which is the perfect height. Okay, the apartment is still a little bit unfinished. When the apartment's all done, I'll give a tour of the apartment and show you some of the upgrades that I did during this renovation. Now the apartment was renovated in 2017. We did a major renovation then. This was just kind of a minor renovation, new carpet, some electrical upgrades, and a few other little things that I got into fixing. So I'll give a full tour of the apartment then and show you some of the upgrades that I did.